Be sincere to me. Is your morning as nice as you wish mine to be?
Yes.
Don't lie to me. You're still crying.
I lost my mom. I miss her so much.
I lost my wife. Your mom is my wife. I lost her too. I know how it hurts that no one can fill up the space of a mother in your life. But I do not want to lose my only child. I know it hurts so much losing your mom because no one can replace the space in your heart. I mean the space of a mother. Even me. But please, you can't continue crying. You barely eat nor sleep these days. It's not nice.
Dad, why does it hurt me so much?
It hurts so much because you truly love your mother. Okay? But please, you cannot continue to cry. But you just have to stop. I feel so hurt and downcasted. But I can't show it because I'm supposed to be the source of your strength, not sorrow.
My mom was a good woman. I'm not sure I can recover from this.
Okay? Please stop crying. You'll be fine, okay? Okay, someone needs to get up and go take your bed. Your breakfast is served already.
Okay.
Okay? Your favorite. Okay, I'll see you when I come back.
Okay, Dad. But Dad, where are you going to?
To the village.
Oh, okay. Greet Grandma and Grandpa for me.
I will. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, Dad.
My husband, I fear for our son.
Why are you scared for him?
It's up to 3 weeks now. Nicholas has not called me. And Nicholas, I know, until this period now, will not skip a day without calling me his mother. How can you mercy?
I agree with you. But you have to take it easy. He is probably still recuperating from the effect of his wife's death.
Papa, it's already 1 year and 3 months. We lost his wife. And from all that is happening around us now, Nicholas is not healing in any way at all. He's not recovering from the shock. He's not.
Well, it's always like that when a man loses his wife, you know. But the person I feel for the most is Chimwanya, the daughter.
Okay.
Yeah, because she's the one who is having the most effect, more than any other person.
Thank God you know. That is more reason he should do what we have been advising him to do all this while.
Which is?
Getting himself another wife, of course.
I agree with you on that. Okay. I mean, getting another wife will help the healing process. Yes.
And it even help him recover. Help the little girl. Before we lose him and lose our granddaughter.
Gods forbid that. No, I will not lose my son.
Then let him do the needful.
Yes, I think we need to work towards that. I agree with you 100%.
Because the presence of a wife in that house will help in a long way. To help him go a long way.
I agree with you.
Take care of the baby, take care of him. I mean, make him heal faster.
I agree with you.
Baby, see, like I told you, I can explain all this. The girl you saw me with, right? She asked me of, a direction, and I was trying to just direct her where she was going to. And that was...
Lies! Lies!
But that was...
I saw you holding her waist.
Me?
I saw you both looking into each other's eyes. Wait a minute. Did you see me as a fool? Like I'm high or something?
Baby, see, it's not... Please, please, baby. All I'm asking for is just give me chance to explain myself out. See, what you saw, it's not what it meant.
Really?
Come on, I can do all that to you.
For real?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Who is this? No,
Who is this?
No, it's me.
That's not you.
No, it's me, but like... Stop.
Get out!
Stop.
House, and don't you ever show your ugly face here again! Don't show your ugly face to my house again!
It's a mistake. Like, it's not...
Mama, you sounded so urgent on the phone. I hope all is well.
Yes, it will be well. If you do exactly as I will advise you.
Okay, I'm all ears. If you can make it quick, that will be fine because I need to rush back to the city. My daughter is there all alone.
That is the point. That is your usual talk. You left her all alone, all by herself over there. When you can find for yourself...
Hey! You just calm down, calm down. We didn't invite him here for you to scream at. Okay? Nicholas. This is the point. The point we are trying to make here. Your daughter is there. All by herself. Eh? Now, she has lost the mother. So she needs a mother figure to take care of her. Eh? Now look at yourself. You are struggling to go back now. You also need help. You need a woman that will take care of you also. Therefore, we have decided that we prevail on you to find another wife for yourself that will take care of all this. Okay? I mean, you have suffered for two.
Papa, is this the reason you called me all the way from the city to the village?
It is enough reason. More than enough reason for us to invite you over. It is 2 years and 3 months you lost your wife to the cold hands of death. And you have successfully refused to move on. Look at you. You have become a shadow of yourself. You can't eat. Look at how slim you are. And when the last time you had a proper meal? Is it about your daughter? Only God knows what that one is going through in the city. Why don't you want to marry? Why?
The thing there is that I still love my wife and I love her so much. And I'm not ready to have anything to do with any other woman. Yes, that is it. If you don't mind, I have a lot of things to do at the city. I have to go back now.
Nicholas, you want to pluck out the only eye with which I see? You are my only son and I will not be alive and watch anything bad happen to you. Oh, my man. Aka, you're not saying anything. Aka, you're not saying anything.
Calm down, calm down. Look, this is...
Okay.
This is not the way.
Naba, just go.
Calm down. This is the wrong approach for handling things like this. There's a better way of doing it. Okay? He's still mourning his wife. So take it easy on him.
For how long? Does he want to mourn her forever? 2 years and 3 months, he's still mourning. Maybe he wants to join her in death.
Come on. You are not a doctor of mourning now. You cannot be prescribing how somebody should mourn the dead. You know, the way one mourns depends on the relationship with the deceased when he or she was still alive. So please, just give him time. He will come around.
He better does it, oh. He better does come around as quickly as possible. I won't take it. What is that? What is that? Does he want to join her in death as well? Nonsense.
Love him so much. I care about him. I love him with everything in me. Why will he do this to me? Why will he do this to me? And I still stupidly love him. I'm such a fool. But why? Why do you keep hurting me this way? Why do you keep hurting me this way? Why? Cause you know I can't. You just keep playing. Who's that? Mommy.
Oh, sorry I woke you up.
Very well.
How are you? I thought you were asleep.
I was.
Okay.
I waited for you to come back. So I said sick.
I'm sorry about that, okay? Grandma and Grandpa just wasted my time more than I expected.
Are they okay?
They're fine.
Did you send my regards?
They didn't really give me the time to send your regards to them.
What happened?
Never mind. It's nothing.
I wish to know, Dad. Tell me.
You can imagine they were asking me to get married to another woman.
Daddy, I've been thinking about it too. I think that would be a good idea.
Hey, don't tell me you're considering it.
Dad, listen. No matter how good she might be, but she'll be a good source of consolation no matter how.
No one can ever take a place that your mother left in my heart.
Dad, I think you should think about it.
Hey, listen. This discussion has to end, and I don't want us to talk about it again. Do you understand?
Okay, Dad. I'll never talk about it again.
Good.
Sorry. Daddy, I'm hungry.
Okay then, let me make something for us to eat.
Okay. Should I follow you?
And I drove down to the village like a madman because it sounded very urgent. When I got there, they told me that I need to get married. That is it. Are you not surprised?
Why should I be? You talk as though you don't know your parents again. Especially Mama. I knew that was exactly what they're going to tell you the moment you get to the village. I knew. So tell me, what was your response?
Oh, what else? I told them that I will never have anything to do with any other woman. That I love my wife. Yes.
Brother, you need a woman in this house. This house is too big for you to stay alone with your daughter. You need a wife. Yes.
Wait, even you. Huh? See, nothing anyone will say or do that will make me change my mind. I've made up my mind. This is my life. I choose how to live it. Okay?
Brother, you know it's not all about you anymore. You have a daughter in the picture. She needs a mother figure now more than ever in her life. Yes.
Now you're beginning to sound like Mama.
Brother, that is the gospel truth. Listen. One day, your daughter might ask you a question that you will not be able to answer. Think about it. The house is just too lonely for her to stay alone. It's too big. Anyway, I need something cold. Let me get it. I'm coming. Baby. Baby, please wake up. I want to talk to you. Please wake up.
Can't you wait till morning?
Baby, I can't sleep. Please.
What is it?
Baby, it's about my brother.
Your brother?
Yes.
What happened to him?
He has refused to get married or give another woman a chance since the demise of his wife.
And how is that my problem?
It's because of his daughter. She will soon start to feel the vacuum her mother created and...
And what? Now I'm asking you. And what? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You have never gotten pregnant since we got married. Let alone a miscarriage. Not to talk of having your own child. Yet you are here, crying over another person's daughter.
My husband, it's not just another person's daughter. It's my only brother's child.
I don't care. If I were you, I would focus on making my barren womb fruitful, instead of gambling into other people's affairs. Let this be the very first and the last time that you would wake me from sleep because of something this trivial. Nonsense.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Weeping men dear, just for a night.
I don't know how long. Because my strength is seriously failing me this time. It's failing me.
What is it this time around?
I woke my husband up last night to tell him about my brother's predicament. He rained unimaginable insults on me.
Let me guess. He reminded you once more that you are yet to give him children.
Exactly. I don't know why he chose to torment me with that. He rubs it on my face as if it's my fault.
You know I blame you for all that. Yes, I blame you.
I don't understand. I am medically okay. Am I God that gives children?
Exactly my point. So the next time he tells you something synonymous to that, you look him in the eye and rain insults on him. Because you know what? All of this is his fault. Last I checked, he bluntly refused when you suggested you both go for medical checkup. Right?
I'm just tired. I'm just too tired. I'm tired of the whole thing. I'm tired. I'm tired.
It's okay. You don't have to. Just be strong. Everything will be fine. Alright?
It's fine. It's fine.
Talking about your brother, I think I can be of help.
How?
I can marry your brother.
Can you just be serious for once? Just be serious for once. The last I checked, you still had a boyfriend.
That Jeff and I are long done history.
How come you didn't tell me anything about that?
It takes me back to memory lane and I hate being there. And your brother, you know, I've never met him except of course in pictures. I've never seen him face to face.
And that is the more reason why you should forget that we had this conversation.
I don't get you. What is dating for? I mean, of course it is for getting to meet each other, knowing one another.
You know what? Let me get you a drink. I think you need one.
Let me get you one. It's always welcome.
I'm coming.
But I'm serious. I'm coming now. Think about it, girl.
What is going on? Come on. How are you?
Lonely all day.
Lonely all day, right? Okay. Right now, Daddy's back. You're not going to be lonely again. I'll go upstairs, remove my clothes, freshen up, then come down and cook your favorite meal.
Okay, Daddy.
What do you think?
Okay.
You're happy, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, just relax. I do not want you to do anything. Don't stress yourself.
Okay, Daddy.
I'll surprise you now.
Okay.
Okay, sit. I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
Go to the fridge and take some ice cream and relax yourself.
Okay.
And do some stuff, okay?
Okay.
Go now.
Okay, Daddy.
Oh my God! Don't worry, I'll be fine. Come,
No.
Come, I'll be fine, okay? Oh, it's so painful. Oh.
You know, I always believed that you're the best cook in the whole world. Even my late mom said you can cook while your eyes are closed. Suddenly, you mistakenly cut yourself with a knife. And this has never happened before.
I'm glad you said mistakenly. There's always a first time in everything.
It's obvious that you don't concentrate anymore. It's as if you're present, but your spirit is far.
What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that you're always thinking about mom. That is why you're absent-minded. It's high time you open your heart and love again.
Have I not warned you? I've warned you time without number to stop talking about this same issue. But you're just proving stubborn. The next time I hear it from you, I'll flog you. Do you get that?
I'm sorry, Dad.
You can keep this thing. Trash this one.
I missed you, my love. Thank you for forgiving me. Thank you for accepting me back. I promise you, I'll always be by your side. And nothing will come in between us again.
You know I love you more, right?
Yeah.
And I promise to always be by your side.
And I promise too, I would always be by your side. And nothing ever again can separate us.
Come here.
Thank you for the second chance.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Anwakoronyu buchinya gagaraya. Weeping men dear, just for a night, but joy coming to you in the morning. Obia mawagama, my heart is bleeding.
Baby, come on.
What are you trying to do now? What is it? Eh?
Baby, you're my husband. We are a married couple. I'm trying for us to do what married couple do to make children.
Nayalum,
Yes?
Don't you ever in your life wake me from my productive sleep again. Don't ever try it, oh. Don't ever try it.
My love. It's been months. It's been months you've not touched me. How will I get pregnant? How? You have not sowed your seed inside of me for so long.
I have been sowing my seed on this rocky ground you call a womb for years now. And it has never beared fruit. I am tired of sowing. Good night.
My heart is bleeding. Oh dear, my heart is bleeding. Stop crying. Stop weeping. Cause this can only make you stronger.
So sir, judging from my analysis, analysis in this particular goods will do well in the forest market. In the foreign market. Sir, sorry, let me just start this presentation very well.
Permission not granted, Mr. Nicholas. It's obvious that your body is here, but your spirit is wandering around.
Sir, I'm here. Just give me one more chance. I will do it very well now, perfectly.
That means you didn't prepare for this presentation. Mr. Nicholas, I've given you the leverages to start afresh twice, which is something I don't normally do. I'm not convinced enough to give you this contract. I'm sorry.
Sir, please, you just have to give me this contract. If I don't get it, my company might go bankrupt.
Mr. Nicholas, in as much as you are my friend, you should know that I don't mix sentiments with business. I think you should go sort yourself out and find another investor.
Sir, please, I can do it well now, okay?
I'm sorry. Have a wonderful day.
That contract meant the whole world to me. Without a contract, my company might fold.
May God forbid. May God forbid such a thing would never happen. God will not allow it.
I have prepared day and night for this presentation. All he could tell me is that I was distracted by something else.
Of course you are. Let's tell ourselves the truth. This is the third investor that has refused to work with your company in the space of 2 months. And the reason they gave is simply because your presentation is not convincing enough. It's not convincing enough.
It's not my fault.
Whose fault is it?
It's not just my fault.
Whose fault is it then? Brother, you know the right thing to do. Why not just do it and save yourself all the stress? It's fine. Everything will be fine. I believe another investor will come, and this time around it will work out. Don't lose hope. Please, brother.
Hi. Oh.
Brother, please. Take it easy.
Hey.
What is it?
Hey, what's a dream?
That same nightmare?
Yes. Hey, this one was very clear. Nicholas had a ghastly motor accident. This time, he didn't make it. He didn't survive.
God forbid bad thing.
Check.
Our only son can never die.
Amen. 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 Amen.
Come, let us pray.
Oh,
let us pray.
Jesus, in the name of Jesus.
Hello, Nicholas. Good morning. I didn't sleep well. The one I managed to sleep, I had that terrible dream again. Just a dream? No, did you just say that? Hello, Nicholas. Nick. Hello?
What did he say?
What else would he say? He said it's just a dream, that I shouldn't pay attention to it. It's the way I'm having this same dream I've had for 3 times. First, second, third. The same dream. It's like God is trying to show something to me. And I won't ignore it.
I agree with you. God is telling us something.
Yes.
Yes, and we don't need to pay deaf ears to it. Have you talked to Noye about it?
No.
Okay, please call her now. Call her. Tell her to put words across to Nicholas so that we can do something.
Okay, Zuko.
Yes, oh.
Let me quickly call her. Hello, Nonya? Hello? Nne, I want you to help me talk to Nicholas. I invited you to come all the way from the city because I want to talk to you about your brother. Wambiko, talk to him to save himself from this impending doom.
Doom? I don't understand, Mama.
Nonyelum, I've had this terrible dream about your brother involving himself in a ghastly motor accident. I've not had this dream once, not twice, not thrice, but 5 consecutive times this week. Talk about the ones I've having the same dream in the past. But just this week, 5 times.
Yes, I agree with you. God forbid. See, you know, the death of his wife had serious negative impact on him. So as it is right now, anything is possible. You know, yes, that is why you really need to talk to him.
If I tell you both that I am not tired of talking to Nicholas, I will be lying. I have tried. I have tried to convince him to get another wife. Or at least give another woman a chance. But he said no. It appears as though I'm overstepping my boundaries. So I had to slow down. I had to.
Don't slow down. He is your brother. His well-being should be your paramount concern. Casey, why are you talking like this?
Mama, do you know that even his daughter begged him to get her another mother? But he said no. He's just keeping strong head about the whole thing. He's been strong-headed about the whole thing.
Even at that, you will not slow down. Okay? Continue to talk to him. Because as it is right now, anything is possible. We don't want to lose our son.
At all. I will not lose him, Papa. Then do something. You see him there every time in the city.
Thank you. So, how is your husband?
Papa, my husband is fine. He sent his regards.
Okay, that's fine.
What is somebody? Yes, Mama.
You're looking very good. Which means he's trying.
He's trying. He's trying. Wait till we get to the city. I will do that, Mama. I will.
Good day, Mama. Is it not that barren woman I call my wife? Mama, you won't believe that she left me in this house and went to the village to see her parents, leaving me here to starve. Well, that's all she does, move from one place to the other. I don't know, honestly. I believe you, Mama. That reminds me. Has Mazu Okeke come to collect that money I told you to give him? Okay. You can keep the rest of the money. And also tell the engineer that I'll be back by weekend to come see how he's going. Alright, Mama. Take care.
Oh dear, Mama Gama, my heart is bleeding. Oh dear, Mama Gama, my heart is bleeding. Enough for why if I am enough.
Which chair is she going to sit now?
Let me go and bring it.
Go and bring chair, go and bring chair.
She's our guest. Papa, good evening.
How are you? Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Go and bring chair for her now.
Of course.
Go
and bring it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Mama, you're welcome. I know you're wondering on the reason I asked you to come again. Because the other time was about the impending doom coming on your brother. But this one is special. It's something very different. I want you to help me. I want you to help me talk to your brother to take another wife. Before they contracted this marriage, the priest said, until death do us part. Now death has done them apart. He's still living in the euphoria of I love my wife, I love my wife. I got on a love. Let him get another wife. If not to care for him, to care for the daughter. I got call this kind of matter. Wife, is it not a beautiful thing? Of course, he that finds a wife finds a good thing. And obtains favor from the Lord. So why is his own different now?
Yes, Nonye. Your mother is right. Yes, we are aware that he loved his wife so much when she was alive. But it's time he moved on.
Exactly.
I mean, even the woman, wherever she is right now, would want him to move on. And not get stuck with this, what was the word you used, euphoria?
Yes.
Get stuck with this euphoria of, I loved my wife, I loved my wife, I loved my wife.
he will just shut me off. He won't talk to me. He won't call me. Unless I call to apologize to him. That is the only way we'll start talking again. I don't know what else to do. I have tried all I could. But like you said, I will keep pushing. I will not give up. He's my brother.
No problem.
I'll keep trying.
Abambo odanogwe. Abak bozo odanogwe. Awogwe ke debere akọ. How is Chimwanya?
Mama, she's fine. Well, she's been complaining the same thing, no? He's been telling him to get another wife for his own happiness and for her own well-being. Eh? I don't know what else to do, Mama.
And that is where the problem is. That is where the problem is. Nicholas is being selfish here. He's selfish. I mean, how can he be thinking of himself alone, forgetting that he has a daughter that needs taking care of? Exactly. Eh? What of us?
I'm missing
I don't understand. No, he has to stop being selfish.
Nonyelum. Why I call you Nonyelum is when matters come like this, you become my part of me. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you must do it. Talk to Nicholas. Because this new wife might even help us to take care of this impending misfortune. At least to avert it. For him being with his wife in the house, we are talking about ghastly accident. It can be averted. Because him being in the house with the wife, he won't go out that day, and that is how his life will be saved. Which one is, what is wrong with you? Haven't I called you before to say tell you this?
I just remembered, Mama. I'll talk to him. I'll try my best.
Keep talking to him. Don't be tired.
But it's okay now. She said she will talk to him.
I will.
You are a mother too. Very soon.
Amen, Mama.
Are you putting the responsibility as if she's the cause? You have already appealed for her to talk, and she agreed that she will talk. As a matter of fact, she has been talking.
She's back.
My husband, good afternoon. Mama.
Don't greet me. Oh, so this is it. This is the way you marry my son, okay? This is the way you marry my son. You are not the husband, and my son is the wife. Oh, Bonian. So instead of you to give me what I want, you don't want to. So I don't need any greetings from you because there is nothing good there. This is your shameless, barren womb. You have refused to use it to conceive and give me grandchildren. Okay? So what is good there?
Mama, what have I done? What have I done to deserve these hurtful words from you? What? I just came back. I've not even dropped my bag. Besides, I told my husband that I'll be visiting my parents in the village. I did. I told him.
Did I permit you to go?
Answer him. Did he permit you?
Baby, you can cut to it. You said I can go. You did. Have you forgotten?
No, leave her. The only thing she and her useless mother know how to do is to gossip my son and me. But not to worry, because I am going to cut your mouth shut, including your mother's own. Trust me, you know what I can do.
With all due respect, I do not appreciate the fact that you have to get my mother involved in this. It does not concern her. Please, keep her out of this. I really went to the village to discuss about my brother's issues. Nothing else. Nothing else, Mama.
Young lady, if you ever in your life speak to my mother in that tone again, I swear I will slap sanity out of you. Are you mad? Are you crazy? How dare you? In my presence. Are you crazy?
Hey, leave her! Leave her! Allow her to insult me. Young lady, let me tell you, for your information, I have come to stay. No going back. No going out. No coming in. You see, I say, I am going to cut your horn. You see this horn? You do what I can pay Gwensu. Cut here, and I will cut your wings. You know me. Trust me. You know what I can do. Instead of you to give me grandchildren, you are here doing nonsense. Shalom? My husband. Is this all you can say? This is all you can say.
Try this nonsense the next time and I will show you the other side of me that you do not know. Rubbish.
My husband! Hey, my husband! Is that all you have to say? Oh! You expect him to beat me? Beat me! Your husband did not beat me. Beat me! Iman beat him. You don't want to beat me again? Come on to conceive. Come on to spread your legs wider. All your mates, the people that are married same time with you, your own, you know, barren womb, nor you cannot conceive for me. You cannot give me grandchildren. You know? Like, in short, I have nothing to tell you. You will see what I will do to you. Just take it.
Oh dear mama gama, my heart is bleeding. Oh dear mama gama, my heart is bleeding. Enough of why if I am
Your mother told you she's coming to the city, to our house, and you didn't deem it fit to tell me.
Have you gone totally crazy? How dare you call me by my name?
My husband, my darling husband, I am the woman of the house. You're supposed to have informed me ahead of time for such a thing. Eh?
What have you contributed to this family to earn yourself the title of the woman of the house? Tell me, because last I remember you are barren. And for the record, does my mother need to write an application before she comes to visit her son?
Baby, what you are doing to me is not fair. It's not fair. God knows it's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Weeping men dear, just for a night, but joy coming to you in the morning.
Mama, good morning. I'm running late for work. I have to be on my way. I'll see you when I come back in.
It looks you've gotten yourself another husband in that office of yours.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you are quite excused. You can go to work if you want. But be rest assured that if you step an inch from here, you'll go to your parents' house.
Mama, why are you doing this? I am a working class lady. I can't just stop work just like that. Mama, please.
The only work required of a good woman is to open her legs wider, produce children, brought them to growth. Every other work is worthless and useless. Oh, the last time I checked, your husband is capable of taking care of the family. No need for you to work.
Mama, you don't understand. I have put in a lot of work in the company. I just got promoted. Yes, this is the worst time for me to quit. Mama, please try and understand. I have really worked so hard for this. I beg of you, please. Please.
Oh, you got promoted?
Yes, Mama.
That means more work is required of you. My beautiful daughter-in-law, for your information, I am here to fix things, and that includes stopping you from work. But at the same time, if you want to test my words, you can disobey me. No. I'm not trying to stop you from work. You can go ahead with your work. But this house and your company, you have to make your choice. You have to choose one, just one. I'm not forcing you. You're so beautiful, Mrs. Promotion. Have a nice day.
In the morning, oh dear, Mama Gama, my heart is bleeding. Oh dear, Mama Gama, my heart is bleeding. Stop crying, stop weeping. Cause this can only make you stronger, stronger.
It's like you want to cook something. I saw some stuff you bought.
And so what?
Mama, you don't have to bother yourself about that. I will do the cooking for you. You know, I can't be in this house and watch you cook. It's unheard of. Besides, you just came back, so you need to go and rest, okay?
How does it concern you? Huh? Listen, let me tell you. Henceforth, I'll be the one to cook for my son. Ever since you started cooking for him, there is nothing fruitful that came out of it. Oh yes. And to add to that, look at how slim he is now. Was that the way he was when he came to marry you? Or Kori? In a she concussion with your charms. Is it come on gezi one mad?
I really came to help.
And who needs your help?
The words you've spoken to me. It's too hurtful. I can't take it. I can't take it.
No, my shina war. My shina war.
I really came to help.
If someone sees you now, you see the person will say you're a better person. Full of evil.
Babe, I don't understand you anymore. Why are you talking to me like this? Are you avoiding me?
You know, I can see you are still moving around the whole town, wearing stuff I got for you, showing off like fresh boy thingy. with the things I got for you. Instead of you to humble yourself and get back to work, by now you should have carried over 15 blocks on your head and be able to raise small money to buy bread and pure water. You're wasting your time. Anyway, your time is up. Out of my compound.
But babe, see, I just want you to know, I need some money. I need to step up, you know. Come on, please.
My goodness, you disgust me. Get out.
But that...